How to fix risk of rain game multiplayer is not working on your account, on your PC, or on the device wherever you're playing this game. If you're facing the issue, this is how you can solve it. Simply check your Wi-Fi network connection that you're connected with a strong and a full Wi-Fi network connection strength, and then only you will have to see and look out for the option to check the internet speed you're operating right now, because this type of game need high speed network connection that is necessary. If you have a Wi-Fi, that will be more good for you. Now you can see the download and upload, both speeds are 200 Mbps per second. They are more than 200 Mbps, so that is a quite excellent speed to serve these type of game. The last thing we can do is simply click on the start button from the left top of screen, and then simply click on the shutdown or restart option. From here, simply restart your device here, and after that you will see that you're not facing any type of error like that. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.